at mga kapatid, mapapanood nyo na sa primetime premiera ng TV5 ang remake hit ng Thai movie na Bad Genius. Alam nyo yun, di ba? Ang iba sa inyo ay fan. Sa puntong ito, makakasama natin live sa studio ang cast ng series na nakita nyo na po kanina, si Atasha Mulak, si Hyacinth Calyado, welcome back. You were here last time. Tapos si Jairus Aquino, welcome to STL.
Hello!
Kanina ba kayong umaga?
Hindi halata.
Kanina po.
Okay
Lalabas na po yung energy.
Anong pakiramdam nyo? Lalabas na yung series na to
Sobrang excited po.
Sobrang excited. Walang kaba. Puro excitement.
Puro excitement ngayon.
Puro excitement.
Especially dahil mag-air na ito sa TV5. So,
maybe the nervousness will come later.
Yeah. Feeling ko sa Saturday. Malapit na in 3 days.
Who speaks better Tagalog? Atasha or Hyacinth?
Si Atasha.
Mas comfortable siya.
Jairus, I think, is the better Tagalog person.
Sa totoo lang, si Jairus.
Best.
Sakto lang si Jai mag-Tagalog lang.
Si Atasha yung pinaka-best talaga mag-Tagalog.
Yan. Basta, nasama yun. Joke lang.
Anong kumbaga, mga tumatak sa inyo dito while making the series?
Habang nagtatape
po? Mga memorable moments.
Maraming memorable moments. Siguro po yung, of course, may isa pa yung cast bonding na ginawa natin. Yung time na napunta na tayo sa Tagaytay, tapos kinain natin ng bulalo. Sinigang bulalo, di ba?
Sarap!
Meron ganun sa Bulalo Capital. Meron po. Sarap. Sobrang masarap. It's nice to be able to bond with the cast outside of work naman. For me, that's really a memory because it breaks down a layer. And when you go back to taping, iba yung feeling, mas comfortable ka.
Iba yung parang mas nag-gel na kayo.
Yes, nag-gel na to. Though even sa first workshop namin, na-click agad. Sobrang na-click kaming lahat.
Yeah.
Yes.
Namomonitor nyo ba yung social media comments about itong series na to na napanood nila yung original, pero this time, napanood nila yung version nyo at nagkagandahan sila. Parang level up daw. Natuwa pa kayo doon? Siyempre nakakatuwa yun.
Nakilig ako! Happy birthday! Thank you so much, mga kapatid!
Jairus, ano ba sa tingin mo ang medyo nag-iba dito versus the original?
Siguro mas nilagyan po namin siya ng touch of, Filipino, which is yung family. Kasi since Filipino adaptation siya, so para mas maging connected kami dun sa mga manonood, is nilagyan namin siya ng touch of talagang kung paano yung pagiging Pilipino is yung meron talagang laman at malalim talaga yung story when it comes to family.
And mga characters nyo, meron bang medyo iba din? Iniba nyo rin? Like your own take on the character. Like for example, you, Hyacinth. Sino exactly yung character mo dito and paano mo iniba?
Definitely, I would say, so I play Grace. And she is someone who, she loves theater and like just the arts and music. And she definitely faces a lot of pressures with academic pressures, especially with her dad. Because her dad wants her to be something else, diba? So she faces that a lot. And then during the show then, she goes through a lot of, I can't think of the word, but going back and forth with her morals. And then things that she wants.
My internal struggle.
Yes, and faces the consequences between that. So besides putting in more depth with adding the Filipino touch with our culture and how we deal with these things in our culture. Hala, wait lang.
Don't worry, we get it. We get it.
Sige, this time Tagalog naman.
Next time Tagalog. Challenge para sa'yo. Si Atasha naman.
Gusto mo po.
Ano?
In Tagalog.
Promote ka in Tagalog.
No. Isa na lang. Alam ko naman, overtime naman tayo. Ako naman ang pipirma ng overtime na to.
Pwede daw
Atasha tried out newscasting kanina.
Nakita ko yun.
Nakita niyo rin yun?
Pwede na raw mag-absent si Jervy ng matagal.
Ay, hindi naman na-absent. Kung may kunyari, kung nakaroon siya ng lagnat, pwede naman joke lang.
Pero awasin, mukhang pwede
Ay, talaga po.
Papagawa ba natin ulit sa kanya dito?
Gagawin ko ba
wala
yan?
siyang papasahin ni English next time. No, pero awasin, okay
sobrang tuka ko kasi, at first, pag sabi nila, okay, babasa ka, nagulat ako. Okay, pressure, kinakabahan ako. Pero, syempre naman, just enjoy, have fun, don't take things too seriously naman in life. And at the end of the day, okay, at least, pasada-sada. So, okay naman. Di ko
Not bad. For
Ayan.
first try, not bad at all. Pretty good, actually.
Maraming salamat. Ayun.
Oh, yun.
Si Jairus, kilala natin na nasa
Yes.
sister network naman natin.
Yeah,
Yung mga
wow.
palabas doon sa Channel 2 na pinapalabas din naman dito sa atin. Ano. Hindi ko alam kung first mong appearance dito yan sa network na to, pero siyempre matagal ka naman ang lumipat sa Viva, right? How does it feel? Mag-premiere na kayo this Saturday sa ibang network ka na makikita.
Really happy and grateful. At least showcase namin yung pinaghirapan namin. Sobrang pinaghirapan namin to for more than 20 days.
Yes.
For sure, isa-isa amin ng mga pinaghirapan, ng struggles, binubuo yung series. Pero happy lang kasi ngayon makikita na nila yung pinaghirapan namin and yung ibang klase ng part ng pagiging artista namin, pagiging actor namin na bihira sa ginagawa namin. Like, bihira sa pagiging nasa Itbulaga, bihira sa Chasing in the Wild. So,
Yan.
yeah.
Okay, this Saturday na. I think ang i-occupy yung oras or time slot ay yung panahon ko, yung mga TGIS at mga gimmick.
Hoy, inabot ko yun.
Tapos mo ba?
Feeling ko
Okay.
di nila alam.
TGIS.
Yeah.
Galing ko yung hula.
Hindi mo rin alam, Chiki?
TGIS.
Excuse me, Chiki. Pero anyway, let's promote the time and the date this weekend.
Yes po.
Yes.
Ito na mga kapatid, malapit na ang Bad Genius coming this weekend, October 18. Every Saturdays at 5:15 p.m.
See?
dito sa
Oo nga.
TV5.
Oh.
Is it thank God it's Saturday?
Yes.
Thank God it's Sabado.
Sabado.
In the
Invite
show.
them.
Yes, Hyacinth, go ahead.
Yes, also starring Atasha Mulak, Hyacinth Cayado, Jairus Aquino, and also Gab Lagman. And this is directed by the one and only Derek Abrido.
Jairus, meron ka pang sabihin?
Ayun lang po, huwag niyo palampasin. Siyempre, habang pinapalabas yung buong Bad Genius, abangan niyo at panoorin niyo siya every Saturday at 5:15.
Yeah.
Sige, imbitahin mo yung mga taga-Visayas region na panoorin yan.
Bitaw, tanawon good ninyo, mga bay din ha sa TV5, di ba? Bad Genius, starring Atasha Mulak, Hyacinth Cayado, Jairus Aquino, and iba pa,
Iba pa.
na minention po nila.
Good luck, guys. And we'll be watching.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Maraming
Thank you.
salamat.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Daghang salamat.